doing?
I don't know. Weird stuff. Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Squiggles, remember?
Yeah, whatever, stupid.
Oh, well, you're dumb. I'm gonna poop here. The thing's tipping over.
Squidward.
What?
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. We're crawling around like little hamsters.
Hey, look at the Xbox home. Let's destroy it.
We're endangering them. We're endangering them.
Stop!
No.
Stop it!
No.
But they're my friends.
How can you be friends with little bugs?
Well, we are.
Well, say goodbye to your friends sometime.
Last time he said they were his pets, but he still eats them.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Hey guys. I mean, isn't this awesome?
Shut up. You're annoying.
Dude, I just want to go surfing.
Shut up. Evil guys don't surf.
I'm not evil, dude.
Yeah, exactly. So you're not part of our club. Get
I'm
out.
evil. I eat bugs.
No.
Yes,
There are bugs.
dude.
Only for me and Squidward. Not Bunny. Well, I don't want them.
Ew, bugs. They're so gross. They're so gross. They're disgusting, right, Bunny?